You never want to turn customers away for anything, especially if they need help with something tire repair related. However, sometimes tires are damaged beyond repair, which means you may have to recommend a new one or a new set for your customer. So, how do you know when you can and can't repair a flat tire? Let's talk about that. Flat tires and tire damage can be a real thorn in the side for customers. They will probably come to you first to fix or repair rather than buy a brand new tire, but they should know there are some repairs you legally can't do. Regulations should be followed while performing all tire repairs to ensure your customer's safety after sending them on their way. There are a few problems that you'll come across that you just won't be able to repair. For example, if the tread depth is lower than the 1.6 millimeter legal limit, the structural integrity of the tire has become compromised, or there is run flat damage, the rubber is cracked, worn, or deteriorated, an external object causes damage, the cords are exposed, or if there's any sign of faulty repairs made in the past. The location of the puncture is also important to keep in mind. Tire repairs have to stay within the central 3/4 of the tread, known as the minor repair area. If the size of the puncture is more than or equal to 6 millimeters, or about 1/4 of an inch in diameter, a repair can't be done. In these situations, your customers will have to shop for a new tire instead. Unfortunately, for customers with sidewall punctures, the sidewall is off limits for repair as well, for good reason. When their car is driving, the sidewall undergoes a lot of stress. Attempting to repair it could weaken the structural integrity of the tire. The sidewall experiences the most flex in the tire, so any repair patch applied will only stay in place until the tire fails again. Tell your customers that if they get a flat, the best course of action is to avoid driving on it if possible. Proper inflation pressure maintains the tire's shape while driving, but when that pressure is lost, the sidewall gets pinched between the wheel and the road, causing damage to more than just the tire. For more tire and service related videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.